Okay, welcome back. You will have noticed that what I have done is I've decided to tidy up the bottom of the shark. And I thought it was quite good just to, if you make mistakes, just to show how we can recover from them. I've just drawn that line across there, and I just need to get rid of these bits here, just to show you how to get rid of bits that you don't want. If you click on the line you don't want, select it and just press delete, and you can get rid of lines you don't need. So just tidy that up and get rid of the lines that I don't need. That one there, and I want to zoom in and that one there, and that is the outline of my shark. We need to add the food peg part to it now. Now, I probably should have said this at the beginning, but when we select these, try and go for cartoon images, something that's simple, and you can easily recognise. This is a 3D printed outcome. We're not going to be able to put colour onto it or anything like that. It's just going to be one block colour, so we need to recognise what it is. So I'll leave the main dorsal fin at the top, but what I need to do now is think about where I'm going to put the food peg and how that's going to come down. So for that, I think we're going to lose this fin at the bottom. So I'm just going to draw a line from there to there, and I'm going to escape from that line, and then I can just select or undo. If you need to hit undo, that's fine. So I'll click that there. I can click the undo button there, and it will move that back. Just get rid of the bits I don't want. Again, that there, that there, that there, that there. Now, we're going to learn how to use a mirror tool in a minute. We're going to use computer-aided design to help us to make things easy. So I'm going to draw two lines. I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to draw another line next to it. And draw an extension line there and escape that line there. Here we want to do the zigzag lines that are going to be the main part of our food peg. So I'm going to draw a line from there to there, and just draw in some teeth. As it's quite small what we do, it doesn't have to be mega accurate, but it just needs to represent the teeth that will grip hold of any bags that we're closing. And escape that line there. So that's drawn that there. What I want to do is I want to mirror this. Now I'm going to delete that line, and I want to mirror this. So I'm just going to draw a line from there. So this is going to be my mirror plane. So I'm going to hit the mirror button here, and first of all it says select a mirror line. So this is my mirror line. Then it says select entities to be mirrored. So all I do is click that there, and I'm just going to work my way through the lines that I want to mirror. And that's done. Escape mirror. And I'm just going to tidy this up now by joining that to there and that to there. Now I just need to tidy the whole drawing up now. So I'm going to get rid of that line, and I want to trim that bit. So I've just clicked the trim tool, the scissor tool, the trim tool, and I want to get rid of anything inside this little bit there, there, and there. I want to trim there, there, and there. Just need to have a little point there or undo. Delete there. So that should be my shark all drawn. It is at this point now that I can deselect it, and if I click my green tick on the sketch, that now comes out of sketch mode, and we can do three-dimensional things to it. If I want to go back into it and do anything to that sketch, I can click. I just have to double click on the sketch there, and I can go back into it and edit it. So I'm going to go just close that there. So if I do want to do any more to it, and you think, well, I'm trying to draw on it, those tools aren't there, just double click on the sketch and you can do what you want, and then just click the cross to come back out again. Let's look at this three-dimensionally. So I'm going to click on my cube and just click isometric at the top. I can see that there. I then need to select the extrude tool. The extrude is going to make this three-dimensional. Click extrude, and I'm going to click on that there. Now that has worked. There's no areas where it isn't joined up. You may find that you have to go back into your drawing if it doesn't work and show where you can join it up. I'm going to select my extrusion at 10mm and see what that looks like. That looks okay to me. I'm going to click the tick to say I'm happy with the extrusion. And if I want to orbit around and see what's going on, if I hold my my right mouse key down, I can then orbit around my drawing. It may be that I think, okay, I'd like to make a change to this now. I want to put a little eye on there. So if I click on the sketch tool, I can then draw on this pane there. And if I just go top and I want to do, I'll put a little eye on there, for example. I think it would look better with an eye. Just draw a little circle in there and click OK. I'm going to just look at it in isometric again, and I'm going to click extrude, and I want to extrude this eye, and I want to change my extrusion that way, and instead of it adding material, I want to remove material. So instead of it saying add, I'm going to remove, and I know that that's 10 mil, so I'm going to change that to 10, click OK, and that is the eye for the shark. Now, you need to send this to me. You can't send me a web link or anything like that. What you do need to do is you need to turn this into an STL file. Means stereolithography. We can learn about this at another stage, but for argument's sake, let's just do that. So we go to, on the part here, right click and export. And it's going to bring up a new box here. File name, you can call it Shark if you want. Shark. And the units need to be millimeters. And on resolution, I would really recommend having it set to fine. Do not forget to set it to fine. Download and store. So download it and click OK. And that will download that, and it should save it into your downloads or in whatever destination you want to download it to.